Go home happy with the 2018 Ford F-150. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 35,000 miles on the odometer. Take a closer look at this full-size F-150. It's the light-duty pickup that leverages military-grade aluminum alloy and high-strength steel to produce class-leading towing and payload capabilities. What's more, available options let you customize its hard-working bed so you can be more productive than ever before. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, backup camera, four-wheel drive, satellite radio, fog lamps, power driver seat, aluminum wheels, Bluetooth connection, steering wheel audio controls, running boards, side steps. Feel the satisfaction that comes from reaching a higher level of productivity in this F-150. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our friendly staff will give you an outstanding customer experience.